Semolina.
Semolina.
Oh, it's same in pronunciation.
Yeah, kind of is. This guy is
Yeah.
going on a
These are
feast.
spicy ones.
This is the mint flavor. So yeah, good.
Yeah.